Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation ng Chapter 2 which is all about sequences, series, and sigma notation. This time, the lesson is about the special sequences. Under this lesson, we have the following topics: the arithmetic sequence, the geometric sequence, the harmonic sequence, and the Fibonacci sequence. The next special sequences are the harmonic and the Fibonacci sequence. Let's start with harmonic sequence. Harmonic sequence is a sequence where the reciprocals of the terms form an arithmetic sequence. For example, we have 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. This is a harmonic sequence because the reciprocals, which are 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, forms an arithmetic sequence with the common difference of 1. Yung 1/2, ang reciprocal niya ay 2, ang 1/3, ang reciprocal niya ay 3, at yung 1/4 ay reciprocal niya ay 4. Therefore, itong example number 1 natin is harmonic sequence. Let's have example number 2. We have 2 over 3, 2 over 5, 2 over 7, and so on and so forth. This is also a harmonic sequence because the reciprocals 3 over 2, 5 over 2, 7 over 2, and so on and so forth forms an arithmetic sequence with common difference of 2. Yung 2/3, ang reciprocal niya ay 3 over 2, ang 2/5, ang reciprocal niya is 5 over 2, at yung 2 over 7, ang reciprocal niya ay 7 over 2. Therefore, itong example number 2 is harmonic sequence. Next is the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where the next term is determined by adding the two previous terms. That is the rule of Fibonacci. We have a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 2 plus a sub n minus 1. For example, we have the first term, then yung ating second term is equivalent muna sa first term. Then yung third term is equivalent to the sum of first term and second term. Then yung fourth term, katumbas siya ng sum ng second term at ng third term, and so on and so forth. That is the rule of Fibonacci. Let's have examples. Example number 1, we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on and so forth. Makikita natin na yung first term, 0, ang second term ay 1. Para makuha yung third term, i-add natin yung 0 plus 1. And then yung fourth term na 2, makukuha natin kapag in-add natin yung 1 plus 1. Then yung fifth term, which is 3, that is the sum of 1 plus 2. Then 2 plus 3 will be the sixth term, 5. Then 3 plus 5 will be the seventh term, 8. Then 5 plus 8 will be the eighth term, 13. Next, additional example, we have set B, negative 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 9, 14, 23, and so on and so forth. Makikita natin, yung first term natin, nag-start siya ng negative 2. Then, ang second term natin is 3. Para makuha yung third term, i-add natin yung negative 2 plus 3, kaya siya naging 1. Then, yung fourth term, kaya siya naging 4, kasi 3 plus 1. Then, yung fifth term, kaya siya 5 kasi 1 plus 4. Yung sixth term, kaya siya 9 dahil 4 plus 5. Next, yung seventh term, kaya siya 14 kasi 5 plus 9. At yung eighth term, kaya siya 23 dahil 9 plus 14.